Can we get off food coloring from my hands? Well, I have a pack of classic McCormick assorted food coloring, and let's squirt it on my hands, see if we can get it off. Let's go. Start with good old red. Blue. Yellow, check. Last but not least, get some green. So now that it looks like a unicorn just took a dump on my hand, I think it's time to wash this stuff off because I got things to do and I don't want my hand looking like this all day. That stuff is not coming off. But as you just saw, normal water is not taking this stuff off. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna try our all natural hand cleaner to see if this will take it off first. And well, we're just gonna dive right into this. It does have some scrubbing power and absorption power to try to remove those dyes, and it was working. It didn't work quite as quick and fast as I was hoping, but it did remove the green and yellow pretty well. Obviously the red is still left behind, so we're gonna have to figure out something to try to get this off. So I'm stepping it up a notch to our ultra heavy duty hand cleaner. This has a little bit more cleaning power for those tough to remove stains, and this is a perfect example. So I'm also coming in with the scrub brush because, well, this is a heavy duty stain that requires some heavy duty scrubbing. But to my surprise, the ultra heavy duty soap was working, man. It took the red out, man. It did take quite a bit of scrubbing, and my hand is obviously looking a little bit red here because look, dude, I'm scrubbing this thing to death. And just for fun, I'm gonna scrub those cuticles and nails because like I said, I got things to do and places to go. So boom, here we go for the reveal. All that food coloring is gone, baby. So if you're baking cookies with grandma this weekend and you happen to get some coloring on your hands, check out Grip Clean.